where darkness falls, a fleeting glow, a spark unseen, a fragile hope in a midnight dream. Whisper grows, a song of strength where no one knows. The sound of the dark, it guides my soul through tides of sorrow where shadows roll. It pulls me forth where the light begins, through night's embrace to where hope wins. The ground was stone, the air was still, yet something stirred, a quiet will. A path appeared where none had been, a soft refrain, a world within. The dark revealed what light concealed. Through silence deep, my heart was healed. The